How many dudes does it take to get a 2,000-pound tub inside of a home? In this case, it took about 12. Here at our parade house, we have a very expensive tub that has taken 9 months to get here from Europe. And we are going to forklift it in through this very small window and slowly and gently, hopefully not break it and put it in there. This is a very high consequence scenario. As I mentioned, it took 9 months to get here. It's very expensive. If we break this, we will not have a tub for the parade, and it's gonna be very unfortunate to get a new tub and very costly for me to get it here. As you can see, the tub is in, maybe a couple scratch tiles, nothing we can't replace. This was taken out of one giant chunk of marble. And if we look closely, there is not one seam on this tub. So what that means is they took a chunk of marble and they dished this out and created this tub without doing any seams. Just like you'd see in a fiberglass tub or porcelain tub, one solid structure. That's what this is, just out of a chunk of marble, which is unheard of. I've literally never seen anything like this before. So this is gonna be an incredible detail and really cool to see in our 2025 Parade of Homes.